The Greenway Apprenticeship Program is a program that we developed in conjunction with the state of Arkansas and the Department of Labor to be able to train our own technicians. So the program is designed for maybe somebody that's coming straight out of high school that's not interested in higher education, or it's also designed for somebody that may be older and just looking for a career change.
The apprenticeship program pretty much allows you to work a full time and just be out in the shop getting hands-on experience every day.
Through the Greenway Apprenticeship Program, you have a minimum of 2,000 hours of on-the-job learning. And during that on-the-job learning, you're paired with a journey worker there in the shop. As you're learning, you're completing 29 competencies that we've set up that we want to make sure that you gain all of the knowledge and the hands-on experience that you can by the time that you come out of the apprenticeship program.
I would encourage a lot of people to go through this apprenticeship program. It's all hands-on. You'll be able to do every 3 or 4 months. You go to school for a week and then come back, and you'll be able to apply the knowledge that you have in that week that you went to school and apply it when you get back.
Through the Greenway Apprenticeship Program, there's advancement opportunities to further your career in the future. So you may start out as a service technician within our shop, but we have service writers, we have service managers, we also have location managers that have come from our service department. The apprenticeship program is valuable to Greenway because we're able to grow our own workforce. With the decline in skilled labor in the ag technician areas, we're able to train driven, passionate people that want to come and join our organization, but maybe they don't have the skill set just yet to be a service technician. We're able to provide them the education in shop, free of charge, and even provide some more education outside of the shop through the technical related instruction to grow their skills and provide them with a successful career. It also provides us with a successful employee that we've developed a lifelong relationship with. Full-time company benefits for Greenway include 401k with company match, PTO time, health, dental, and vision insurance. We also provide company-paid short-term and long-term disability insurance and company-paid life insurance benefits.